Hey guys, check out our tour for the day. We're learning about model trains.
Daddy, wait!
Yeah, it's a mine.
Have a look. This parking lot is just paper. And it
See, look
looks
here,
real.
Debbie.
Daddy,
Here's the different.
This
This is the different sizes. Look,
where?
that's a Z scale, N, H, O, O, and G.
Oh, G is the biggest.
When you look up on top of each layout, you'll see what scale it is.
Okay. Alright, so this is the N scale here. Look at the movie theater.
It's watching
A
comments.
drive-in theater.
How about look, here's the light switch.
Wow.
This has to be where
Man,
trains moving.
Yeah.
I never
This is a
been
free
on a train before.
museum of trains. My cousin's
That's
found.
a so. What?
Wow. What is your favorite, Anna?
What?
What is your favorite?
The big train. My favorite is the big triangle.
Yeah. Say hi, Lucy.
Hi.
We're gonna look over here.
Hey, Benjamin. Ben.
This is the Orny days. Look at that, Lucy.
The train should come out here.
Daddy, let's look at
The big one?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at
This
that.
time it's giant.
Coming out of the tunnel, huh? Is this the biggest one they have? I think so. What scale is this? What size? Huh? This is a G scale. 1 foot equals 24 feet. Makes your backyard 20
Can
wide.
we look over there
Yeah, we can go over there.
where the horses are climbing?
The horses?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm pulling some logs. Those horses are logging. Look at that. How cool is that? Do you see the cowboy? Look up there.
Yeah.
Rope the cow.
Ooh. Daddy,
What?
can I do something?
No, right there.
Say something?
What's this? Caboose? You know what a caboose is?
What?
It's the little train car that goes on the very back. When Daddy was a little boy, all the trains had a caboose. You don't really see them anymore. There's the police plaza.
Papa.
What?
Daddy, that's an old house. Pumpkin?
Yeah.
With a
Or a barn on fire,
cobwebs.
huh?
Can I catch
The
the
fire
pumpkin?
department. No, you're not supposed to touch anything. So, this is our tour of the Crossville Model Railroad Museum. Really awesome. We put a lot of time and effort into building these things and putting them together. And I don't think you're supposed to touch, Chelsea. Don't touch.
They said we could.
Okay. It's pretty cool. And they do all this for free. Back there's a little educational center we're going to go out to in a minute. But, like it. Yeah, we'll go up, like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. And this is a Z scale. Look, that's the small one. Look at how tiny this one. Yeah.
It's an airplane.
Wow. Yeah. Ooh.
Look over here.
I see it coming out. You can hear it. Look, they're building a road. There it comes. Look at that. Okay, how it goes. Alright, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And have a blessed day.